Microgreens have become increasingly popular in recent years as people begin to recognize their many benefits. In this video, we will explore the advantages of growing and eating microgreens, and discover why they are such a valuable addition to any diet. Microgreens are young plants that are harvested just after the first leaves have developed. They are incredibly nutrient-dense and contain high levels of vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. One of the main benefits of growing microgreens is how easy and fast it is to do so. Microgreens can be grown indoors, so you don't need a large outdoor space to cultivate them. They also grow quickly, often taking only a week or two to reach maturity. Another advantage of growing microgreens is that they are relatively inexpensive. While it's possible to spend a lot on growing equipment, it's also possible to start with just a few simple supplies and still grow a bountiful harvest of delicious microgreens. Microgreens are also incredibly tasty and versatile. They can be used to add flavor and nutrition to a wide range of dishes, from salads and sandwiches to main courses and snacks. Perhaps the most compelling reason to start eating microgreens is their impressive nutritional content. Microgreens contain high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. No wonder they have been dubbed nutrient bombs by some food experts. Finally, adding microgreens to your diet is easy. Because they are so versatile, you can incorporate them into your meals in a variety of ways. Plus, growing your own microgreens is a fun and rewarding way to get closer to your food.